Bill, this is important.
Queen Yaosii'S, my king, need me, I got him. We came up from the bottom and struggle, hustle, hop out.
King Yaosii'S, when my queen need me, I'm riding the prayer, man, I'm providing. Make sure our goals get accomplished.
On the backbone of the family to make sure we stand strong.
Make sure we follow them commandments, cause right better than wrong.
Like, share, subscribe, keep it real when you comment.
Prayer changes everything, but tune in. We the Yaosii'S, now tune in. We the Yaosii'S, go tune in. We the Yaosii'S, now tune in. We the Yaosii'S, go tune in. We the Yaosii'S, now tune in.
We the Yaosii'S, go tune in. We the Yaosii'S, now tune in. We the Yaosii'S, go tune in. We the Yaosii'S.
Yo, gon' like, share,
Subscribe,
ring that bell. Y team,
we
in
in
ya. We
we
the
the
Yaosii'S.
Yaosii'S.
Yo, what up, YouTube? It's your boy King Yaosii'S and Queen Yaosii'S. You already know we in what we doing today?
Cookie.
What you cook?
Oh, I'm not.
Hello.
No, I'm cooking some spaghetti and meat sauce. Also, I'm doing some garlic bread. I got some new shit that I'm trying out. I look bad right now, y'all, so excuse me.
She don't look bad. She always look good. And guess what? Watch this food. That's why I can't. Look, you see this? This is called love. It may be a boy or girl, but it comes out every night. Anyway, back to what we was talking about. So yeah,
I'm gonna show y'all what I need.
She's gonna show you what she can do for us the spaghetti. I'm just the rider. Whatever she want me to do. Go this way. Go that way. Moonwalk. Backflip. That's what I am today. So y'all tune in, man. We about to get it popping. Y'all watch my queen do what she do. Shout out to Hertz Restaurant. Shout out to Lee's Cajun Kitchen. Shout out to all the food people we deal with. Everybody we deal with. Lee's. Everybody. You know what I'm saying?
And another thing is, I want y'all to go ahead and follow my sister page. It's called the Fab Creator.
Yeah, the Fab Creator. Y'all go ahead. You know what I'm saying? That's another Y team. We ain't your member. You feel me? Y'all make sure y'all go check out with the makeup thing. You feel me? And she got more coming. So y'all check that out. Also, y'all know y'all gotta like, share, comment,
and you make sure you subscribe.
and ring that bell. Ring that bell. Anyway, yeah. So yeah, let's get this popping, man. We about to turn up in the kitchen like we do. You heard me? But I'm gonna lose this one day. We gonna do a workout video for y'all. We gonna do it.
You gonna work out?
We're gonna do it. And we're gonna eat healthy.
Work out?
Today we ain't eating healthy. But we gonna eat healthy. Yeah, I'm gonna work out. Like I told y'all, we about to get it in, man. Love y'all. Thanks for all the new subscribers. Thanks for supporting the ones who are supporting. But let's get into this food.
I'm gonna put these shrimps in the pot over there, but not right now.
Oh, I got shrimp. Fat man Dan do shrimp in the pot. Shrimp in the pot. You see that, Dan? Shrimp in the pot. Those still my moves.
Alright, y'all.
She gonna have the recipes for y'all. You dig? Tune in. Let's get it.
Alright, I'm going to show you what I put in there. I got the crab oil. All you need is a capful. It's up to you. It's a little spicy, so if you want your stuff to be real spicy, you can put as much as you want in there. And then I have the Tony. So put as much Tony you want up in there for your taste. And then I have the seafood seasoning. You can get this from Rouse's, Walmart. When Dixie might have it also. And also, I have the chicken bouillon. You can put as much as you want up in there, but you don't need to put that much in there. Alright, now I got my cut up smoked sausage. This is Mr. T smoked sausage. You can put whatever type of smoked sausage you prefer. You're going to let all this cook together, and then you can put your shrimp, crawfish, whatever you want in it. I'm going to put shrimp in mine, and then I'll be back with the results.
gonna show y'all what I do next. But look at that. Now this is spaghettis and meat sauce. It's not no spaghettis that look like it came out the bag. This is my spaghetti. Fresh cut onions, fresh cut bell peppers. Old school. Alright, so this is what I'm using. It's crawfish tail meat. Louisiana. This is wild catch. If I had some real crawfish, I wouldn't be using them. I would be eating them. Anyway, I got some shrimp, some Gulf shrimp. These shrimps is big. Look how big they are. Big. So there y'all go. Look at that.
There it is.
Y'all see that?
Mud bugs. She just put mud bugs in a skillet. Mud bugs.
Chef Queen Yaosii'S. What? Chef Queen Yaosii'S. Okay. Give me them shrimps over there, boy. Why you over there?
You got that, girl. Say shrimp.
Alright, so I'm gonna add these shrimp.
Shrimp to the mud bugs.
Mm-hmm.
They cousins anyway.
Yay. That's what they
Now what they do, they bring the zest, huh?
Mm-hmm.
So right here, we got a lot of zestiness going on. Huh?
Yay.
Zest. Some real southern zesty going on. But if you from the south and you love crawfish and shrimp and stuff, you now looking at this thing. I know if y'all looking at it like I'm looking at it, it's heaven.
What it
Together,
is?
it's heaven.
So I'm gonna use
Heaven.
seasoning again.
Heck yeah, man.
What? You getting all excited over there, boy?
Well, I swear, bro. This ain't right.
You excited?
This ain't right.
Mm-hmm.
This ain't right.
Mm-hmm. You mad?
Heck nah, this ain't right.
Hey, I'm short, so I can't get nothing out of my cabinet. So I need some garlic. I need some garlic.
Garlic powder?
Yeah. That's not it. It should be. And I need the I need that.
Where your stepping stool?
It's in the room.
Why you ain't got your stepping stool?
But come on, don't do me that. And look, wait. I'm gonna use a little bit of crab.
That's
Boil.
crawfish boil.
It's crab boil.
That too.
Crawfish, shrimp, crab boil. I don't need that much because it's a little salty, so you don't want to put that much. So, that's that magic seafood. You need that.
Girl, you got up there.
I see you.
So
See me?
Yeah, you stretching for dear life.
I know. Put some garlic powder up in there. As much y'all, I'm not no chef. I just go by taste, and I know my man likes to eat.
Hello.
So I'm gonna add some crawfish roll. I'm not gonna add that much because it's a little salty.
You don't want to make it too salty because it takes away from the finessicity.
Yeah, buddy. So I'm gonna add the cheese. It's gonna melt up in there. That's Velveeta cheese. Velveeta cheese, it will melt. Don't get that off-brand cheese. It's not gonna melt. I promise y'all. Y'all gonna be upset. It's gonna be. It's not gonna melt.
You don't look like block.
It sure is. Velveeta cheese. Remember that.
Velveeta. Velveeta, mija. Me only like the Velveeta, mija.
What?
You know what you should put this on?
What?
No, I'm gonna get in my idea. I ain't saying that.
Oh,
can guess.
don't that look good, y'all? Look at that.
A whole boy.
A po' boy.
What?
A pasta, a po' boy.
What?
You can even put this on some rice. You can put it on whatever y'all want. Nachos. What?
And you rotate.
What? All right, I'm gonna add the last little thing.
That is
Magic. Yes.
magic seasoning. Got that zesty taste.
Put that up in there, that magic up in there. Look how that stuff look. Oh, this gonna be so good. And it don't take long to do at all. Right now, so that's how you see it. You see it all together. I'm just adding the sauce. Zesty sauce.
Zesty. Humble blanc, shake all your macaroni.
Alright, I need the cheese. So, you're gonna take the cheese. You're gonna sprinkle some of this cheese on top. What? The cheese?
Cheese.
Sprinkle that cheese on top of that thing. That bad boy, baby, it's gonna be good.
This light work right here, man. This light work is doing right. This ain't right, y'all.
What? What's not right?
This is why I can't lose weight. But she know how to make healthy stuff too. And that's the crazy part about it.
I cook everything. Anything he asked for, I'm gonna make it. No, I just came up with this recipe today, actually, yo. And when I come up with something I want to try it, I just do it. Alright, look, y'all.
They look like Save Black on blah blah blah.
Did you just fight?
Nah, that was the camera did
Oh my God!